Sure. Priyamvada, will Sasikala, if this is the way it holds in the end, will Sasikala want to change her mind and say, okay, I'm back because I'm the only one, Chinnamma, who can hold the AIADMK together? So, bye-bye EPS and welcome Chinnamma again.
No, my question is, what if EPS by his own strength is going to get those 34 to 50 seats? Because from whatever data we have so far shared, it's the Western Belt, the hometown of EPS, where ADMK is performing well. And we also know that OPS has not gone out for campaigning much. He started campaigning only in the last 15 days. So almost in southern region, that's the reason why ADMK lost in places like Madurai, Dindigul, Theni. So if EPS, I would say if EPS is getting 40 seats by his own strength, I see the future in Tamil Nadu as EPS versus MK Stalin. That is what EPS has also been strategizing. Mind you, Sasikala, she knows now TTP Dinakaran 4% is very less. I mean, it has hardly contributed even to DMK's victory. DMK has swept by its own strength. TTP was not needed to push DMK to this win in southern regions, in delta regions. So TTP has not played a major significant role as per our exit poll results. So I would wait and see if Sasikala wants to come, because one point why I say we have to wait, she might try, is because in that particular case she has not recused herself, in which she has claimed propriety over the ADMK headquarters.
No, but it depends on whose people win. Veera Raghav.
Exactly.
Somebody from Tamil Nadu sent me a message. Sasikala and OPS will be opening champagne looking at your polls. Look, this is the problem with the AIADMK.
It depends on whose people win. Amongst the MLAs, if most of the people who won are EPS's people, then it's not so simple.
No, I agree, it's not so simple, and EPS has proved himself to be a leader of substance, especially in handling COVID again. The question is that AIADMK will have to look at life beyond Jayalalitha now. You see, a poll defeat accelerates that process. They've tried to keep that at bay. Now they will have to face reality. Veera Raghav, why don't you give a quick comment on that, and then Mafoy Pandyarajan can tell us, will the AIADMK hold together? Veera Raghav, will the AIADMK hold together?
Look, two or three things. I think the AI, through this election campaign, one camp in the AIADMK was playing to be the opposition party, another camp was trying to become the return as chief minister, which is the EPS camp. I think OPS and Sasikala would be thrilled with the AIADMK defeat. They were playing towards that, not OPS and Sasikala. Sasikala would also be looking at that, because striking at the leadership of a party which has been defeated is easier than striking at the leadership of a party which is in power. EPS was impossible to take when the party was in power. So leave that as it may, that's the AIADMK politics. Most important now is what is Stalin going to give in terms of Tamil Nadu. Stalin has tried to step into his father's shoes in terms of trying to be this ideological leader, being this statesman-like leader in terms of politics, by not attacking the AIADMK or not trying to destabilize the AIADMK after J. Jayalalitha's death, and when there were rumors that there could be horse trading that could happen and all those things. He's waited his time and he's taken this. But he's also projected his son. So is it going to become one family rule? That is dangerous for a state. If the DMK has a majority, as you predicted, of the nature that is there, it is extremely important to see how this plays out post the election. So Rajdeep, I think it's important to note that, when you talk of parties like the Nam Tamizhar Katchis, these are radical, extreme fringe parties. You need to be very careful when we are looking at the kind of rise that these parties are having. It's not very...
People are looking... of course it's a radical... It is a party looking at a more radical agenda for Tamil Nadu, but there is a vacuum clearly in Tamil Nadu, and there will be over the next 10 years more parties emerging. Kamal Hassan, and it's an interesting factor to look